What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Smay. If you guys are new here, welcome. My channel is going to be about personal finance, how you guys can make money in the future. We're going to be going through my life from 18 to 30, basically when I retire. My goal is to retire by 30. But today's video, we're going to talk about the best credit card for beginners. The best credit card for the first time credit card holder. When you turn 18 or 19 or 20, or if you guys are like 30 and you guys want to apply for your first credit card, whatever it is, no discrimination, I believe this is the best credit card for you. It has great cashbacks, and we'll get into the details. I just burped. We'll get into the details of the credit card right after this. Let's go. The credit card I'm talking about is gonna be the Discover card. This is my Discover card right here. It's red. So the Discover card, it's gonna be, in my opinion, the best card for you guys to apply for as a first credit card. Personally, I might have a bias for it because this is my first credit card that I applied for, and I got accepted right away in like seconds actually. And they allow you to check your credit line as soon as you get applied. If you guys are interested in applying for this card after I give you more information about it, click the link below and you guys will get $50 when you get approved, and I get $50. So you'll be supporting this channel and you'll be helping yourself. I believe if you sign up without somebody's link, you won't get the $50, because when I applied, I just went to their websites and I didn't get anything. But when I referred people, like friends and family, we both got $50. I can show you the referral bonuses recently that I racked up. I believe it caps out at $500, but $50 a person. So I'll put a screenshot right here to show you guys how much I referred people and how much I made off of referring people. So if you guys want to support this channel and you guys wanted to make your first credit card, definitely click the link below. So why do I like this credit card so much? Why do I use it? Why was it my first card? So Discover, if you guys don't know, they have a kind of a rotational cashback reward system where every quarter of the year they change what kind of area they want to give you cash back. Like right now they give you cash backs on Lyft and I believe grocery stores. I'll put it up here, and I think starting in July they're gonna change it to another one. I actually think this month it's Uber and gas stations, so 5% back on that. And then what's great about Discover is at the end of the year, like a full year from the day you sign up and get approved, they will match all your cash backs. So let's say you got cash back like $100 at the end of the year, they'll match that and give you another $100. So that's great. 5% match that, 10% off of gas basically right now. So that's a great part about it. Other areas of quarter of the years, it'll be like Walmart, Target. So it's great. I actually bought a coffee maker with this card, so much love. One thing when we talk about credit cards that you cannot go over, that you cannot go over, there we go, that you cannot go over is annual fee. The great thing about this card is it has 0 annual fee. A lot of credit cards nowadays, especially like American Express, Chase, no shade, I like those companies, but the annual fee be like $5.50, $100. But this one, 0 annual fee, and you guys can basically just hold it forever. Like you guys could just sign up, and if you guys don't use it, just leave it. Another thing about this card is you get accepted really easily. In my experience of referring people and seeing them apply, a lot of people, they just put in their information and they've never had any credit history, so like first timer, and they get approved for, a lot of times it's minimum credit line of $500. That's what I got approved for when I first applied. It was $500. It reports to the big credit bureaus, so your credit score increases slowly. If this is your first credit card, it's great because you can also check your FICO credit score on the app. I think you need like 6 months before you can check your FICO credit scores, but it's fine. So if you guys don't get approved for the regular Discover card, in my experience, that doesn't really happen, but if you do, I suggest you guys go for the Discover secured card, which is basically you giving a deposit, safety deposit for them to hold, and they'll give you that credit line. So let's say you give them $500, they'll give you a $500 credit line, and if you guys can't pay it off, they'll probably take it, and it's going to negatively affect your credit score, so don't do that. Try to pay off your credit card on time, in full every month to build credit. Obviously, that is if you can. I hope you can, but back to the secured card. Secured card, you guys will eventually get your safety deposit back once you build like a track record with them, and then you'll get the regular Discover card, and you'll have all the perks with it. If you guys are a college student, they also offer a student Discover card. It has great perks for students. The one thing to watch out for is just their APR. If it's your first time and you have no credit history, your APR is most likely going to be higher than someone who has a good credit score. If you guys pay off in full every month, you guys really don't have to worry about it. I think they give you about like 14 months 0 APR when you get approved. So for like a year and 2 months, you won't have to worry about APR, but after that, definitely be responsible and check it. In my opinion, this is the best credit card to start out because 0 annual fee means you can hold it. Cashbacks means you can spend it and you can save money. Who doesn't love saving? You know, I love saving. Graham Stephan loves saving. And only one problem that you might come up with, that I've come up across, is a lot of restaurants, they don't take this card because of, I guess, how high the fee is for the restaurant to kind of transact their cards. Like American Express and Discover are 2 cards that a lot of restaurants and businesses kind of don't like to take because it costs them a lot of money. If you guys don't know how credit cards make their money, it's not only the interest from consumers, it's also businesses that kind of have to need people to spend with credit cards, basically. One problem that might be an issue for some people and might not be an issue for other people is that Discover doesn't have a physical branch that you can walk into and talk to someone, but they do have, it's more of an online company, but I guarantee you guys their customer support is very, very, very nice. Whenever I called them, they were nice. You know, they picked up, they spoke well, they fixed the problem, you know, and to this day I don't have any problem with Discover. Definitely check them out online. Something that I was stupid, I looked up like, where's the closest Discover branch? I thought like you could just walk in and apply. You know, you learn something new every day. Like I learned I was dumb that day, so just kidding. So besides that, if you guys are interested and you guys are about to turn 18 or you guys just turned 18, definitely go sign up. Like, try to get approved. I mean, like, guys, what do you gotta lose? If this is your first card, what do you gotta lose? If it's your second card, you probably still gonna get approved because that means you have history, and then they're like, okay, cool. I think a credit score of about probably like 650 and up, they'll probably be okay with it. I mean, I've seen people like have the card at like 630. I mean, hey, also depends on how much you make and your family makes. If you guys want more videos about credit cards and how-tos, or maybe some whatever videos relating to credit cards, let me know, and smash the like button, comment below, subscribe, share, whatever, you know. All jokes aside, I'm here for you guys. I'm here to help you guys. I know that when I started out, this was a hard topic, like, to research, like where do I start, right? Like, it's like the hardest part is starting something. Once you're in it, it becomes a lot easier. You'll get with it. This is my recommendation for your first card. We can make another video about your second, third, and fourth card. I currently have 5 credit cards. I'm 18. Hopefully I'll have a few more before I turn 19. yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for the continued support. This channel is growing, and it's all thanks to you guys who watch it, all the people who put my videos on play. Thank you guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.